If you've been looking for your very own tropical getaway in a gated community with tons of amenities, 109 Abalone Circle in Long Island Village in Port Isabel, Texas, is the one you've been waiting for.
Hello, and welcome to 109 Abalone. Come on in and have a look around. The open concept living, dining, and kitchen area is a great place to entertain all your family and friends.
The living area has a vaulted ceiling, which gives it an airy and open feel.
The dining area is completely surrounded by windows, and it's full of natural light. The kitchen features gorgeous granite countertops, a backsplash, custom cabinets, newer appliances, and plenty of cabinet and counter space. The first bedroom has built-in shelving, an ensuite bath, and a walk-in closet. The walk-in closet has built-in shelving, a dresser, and a shoe rack. The ensuite bath features a gorgeous custom-tile walk-in shower. The second bedroom has a built-in desk, ample closet space, an ensuite half bath, and access to the back deck. The ensuite half bath has a full-size washer and dryer. Both bedrooms and baths have pocket doors, which are a great space saver. Here in South Texas, with our warm weather year-round, we like to live the indoor-outdoor lifestyle. The back deck spans the entire width of the home.
This home has plenty of exterior storage. It also has a generator and a new AC system. Let's check out the Long Island Village amenities. There's an outdoor pool, poolside picnic area, indoor heated pool, (18-hole par 3 golf course), mini golf, and sports courts that include tennis, pickleball, basketball, and shuffleboard. The community center has an event hall, restaurant, library, mail room, laundry, crafting room, and billiards.
And that concludes our tour of 109 Abalone in Long Island Village in Port Isabel, Texas. If you'd like to visit in person, contact your favorite local real estate agent.